Attention, anyone looking to find their true life purpose. Discover how to find your life purpose so you can live a life of significance and know exactly what to do each day. Discover the steps you can take to finally take charge of your life. Have you found your life's purpose yet? Does your life have true meaning? These are questions that everyone should ask themselves at some point. What is my life's goal? What is my purpose for being here? What am I most passionate about and most driven to accomplish? The problem is that most of us won't be able to answer these questions. When you find your calling, your life's purpose, then you'll have something that you are truly passionate and excited about. This in turn will give you more focus and will help you to make all the right decisions. You'll know precisely what it is that you want to accomplish, and so you'll know where you want to live, who to associate with, what to learn, which career opportunities you need to take. Certainly it is something very rare and is not to be underrated. And when you have a purpose, you'll be firing on all cylinders. Finding meaning is precisely what the vast majority of people need to accomplish in order to be happier and more fulfilled. The problem is that they don't know how to get there. Here's the solution. I've written a course sharing exactly how to find your life purpose and bring more meaning to your life every day. Let me introduce you to the meaningful life, how to find your life purpose, so you can live a life of significance. Here's what you'll get inside the course. The Meaningful Life Guide. In this ebook, you'll discover how to find your life's purpose, as well as how to inject more meaning into every single day. Stop letting life just happen to you. Take the bull by the horns and be the most incredible person you can be. You'll discover how to find your life's true purpose, how to build your life around your goals and your passions, so that you have more time to do the things you love, how to get the courage to embrace new challenges and explore your limitless potential, how to appreciate the now and make every moment richer, how to help others and have a lasting, positive impact on the world around you, how to go to bed feeling a sense of accomplishment and reward every night, how to tap into nearly boundless energy and spring out of bed enthused, how to speak passionately and let others see that passion, how to add more meaning to every day, and much more. Here are some special bonuses for taking action today. Fast Action Bonus Number 1. A point-by-point checklist. Fast Action Bonus Number 2. A resource cheat sheet, a Rolodex of top sites, blogs, forums, tools, apps, and services to get you even further. Fast Action Bonus Number 3. Mind map, you'll get an instant refresher of all the major points and action steps from the main guide. Does that sound good or what? You can own the meaningful life together with all the bonuses for a mere $27. That is a truly incredible deal. Did I mention this course is only $27? It's definitely a point worth repeating, seeing as it usually sells for $97. You will be hard-pressed to find a more valuable resource. You will become the hero in your own story. And you will be able to build a new and exciting future where you eventually get paid to do the things you love. Knowing who you are is a very special thing indeed. It's when life finally makes sense. Don't waste another moment. Again, you will receive these comprehensive and valuable, life-changing insights for only $27. Please click the Add to Cart button right now and take ownership of this valuable course today.